I noticed a big difference. Instead of filling half my plate with rice or pasta, I started using a simple trick. Make sure your plate has a healthy balance of protein, veggies, and carbs. That way, you're still enjoying your favorite foods, but in a way that works for your body. Another important factor in my weight loss journey was timing. I learned that eating carbs at the right times can make a huge difference. For me, I focused on having most of my carbs earlier in the day, like for breakfast or lunch. That way, I had the rest of the day to burn them off. I'd have oatmeal or whole grain toast in the morning, which gave me energy for the day ahead. Then, for dinner, I'd focus more on protein and vegetables, with a smaller portion of carbs or none at all. This helped me avoid that sluggish feeling after eating and kept my energy up, combining carbs with protein and fats. One of the most helpful things I did was to pair my carbs with protein and healthy fats. This combination keeps you full for longer and prevents the blood sugar spikes that make you feel hungry soon after eating. For example, if I had some brown rice, I'd pair it with a lean protein like chicken or fish and some healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. This balanced meal would keep me full, satisfied, and energized. Plus, it made my meals way more enjoyable. Listening to my body. One thing I want to emphasize is that listening to your body is key.